What's my other takeaway from SOLIDWORKS World Day 1? It's all about acquisitions and integration. Let's talk about that next. So another takeaway here, for me at least, is how Dassault approaches acquisitions now. Now the context for this is the 3D Experience platform. It's a vision they laid out, 3, 4, 5 years ago. And the idea is everything is accessible through a cloud platform or offering. And that kind of has subsumed a lot of the brands, so like Similia, Katia, Innovia. Those capabilities have been mashed up into the 3D Experience platform and then mashed up to create different offerings as different apps. So what I find interesting with that, with respect to acquisitions, is as they're making acquisitions, they're being rolled into the platform. They're not necessarily being kept separate. I expect they will for a small amount of time, but the long-term vision is that they get rolled into the platform overall. And I gotta say, this is a very different approach from what I see from other providers in this space. You might see an ALM company be acquired, and its offerings are still standalone, separate from other offerings, right? So you might have 2 or 3 different enterprise systems. But what you see here with Dassault is that everything gets rolled in the 3D Experience platform, which offers more integration, and in certain areas it makes a lot of sense. So and frankly, Dassault deserves some kudos for that approach. I think it has the user's interests at heart. That's it. Take care. Talk soon.